Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here, just scroll like this. Just scroll, okay? You just scroll. And here on the down, you are going to find this system option. So click on it. After that, you are going to find this feature. From here you have to move on reset options. Then again here you have to click here no reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Click on it. So here click on this reset setting and click on reset. When you click on that, after 3 or 5 seconds the problem of Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, so you just need to click on reset setting. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.